welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a quick update on the first shipment, and we're going to be talking about the new sweatshirts that we got for sale on our website. So, we received the harnesses today, and we spent all day packaging all of the controllers, getting all the kits ready to go for the first order, and we have everything packaged, we have all the shipping labels created. They're going out tomorrow morning, and we expect that they should be out, the latest receive date should be Friday, but with shipping delays, who knows. And if you haven't gotten an email yet with your tracking number, please send us an email because something got messed up. You should have received your tracking number if you ordered one.
Also, we want to update you guys on when the next batch of controllers will be posted. We get people asking us every day, when are they going live? How can I pre-order? And to answer those questions, we are not going to be doing any more pre-orders. That was a one-time thing for the first batch. And we're expecting the harnesses to arrive at our doors early February. We already have the controllers in our possession. They've already been tuned. As soon as we get the harnesses, it'll be less than a week before we get everything processed, and we'll post them on the website. We'll put out a video on it, so make sure you have your notifications turned on if you're looking to buy one. Also, just a reminder, once you get that notification, you really got to rush to the checkout. Last time we sold out in 3 hours, so if you hesitate, you might not get your hands on one. Also, the sweatshirts that we're wearing just went live on the website, emotobros.com. We got our logo on the front, we got the Suron on the back. We got 3 colors now, olive is back ordered. We got blue steel, forest green, and black. We are both 5'11". I'm wearing a large because I like mine a little bit more baggy, and Riley's wearing a medium. We have a shortage of supply, so make sure if you want one, you buy one fast. We don't know how long supplies will last. Alright guys, here's a close-up of the design on the back. I absolutely grinded on this one. As far as we know, this is the only merch with the Suron, so cop one of these if you like repping the brand.
Thanks everybody for watching. If you were quick enough to get out on the first order, we can't wait to hear how you like it. And of course, if you ever have any troubleshooting questions or problems with it, don't hesitate to email us. We're happy to help. And remember to subscribe if you want to get in on the next order. Have a good day. Thanks everybody for watching. We really appreciate all of the patience everybody has shown with waiting for the first order. And we can't wait to hear how much you like them.
No, just say if one of these controllers is yours, congratulations, you're one of the select few. Say that.
No.
You're now part of an exclusive group.